Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the product key or the Microsoft account tied to your license. This matters because the wizard pops up when it lost license proof. Once done, check whether you run Office 365 versus a perpetual Office 2019/2016 license, since fixes differ. Make sure to back up your documents before edits so you don't risk data. Now, close all Office apps, open an elevated command prompt, and prepare to stop services and remove cached activation files. These are the concrete first steps. Now you tackle the middle. Stop the click-to-run or software protection service depending on your install, because running services can recreate the wizard triggers. Next, delete token and licensing files under Program Data /Microsoft /crypto and Office /registration, and remove stale credentials in Windows Credential Manager so Office can re-authenticate cleanly. Once those are cleared, run Programs and Features, right arrow repair. Start with Quick Repair, and if the issue persists, finish by signing into Office with the exact Microsoft account tied to the license so activation can complete. This rebinds the license to your profile. If activation still fails, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant to capture logs and apply guided fixes. Make sure to note any error codes it shows. As a last resort, uninstall Office, reboot, then reinstall from your original installer and activate. If problems persist, record the error code and contact Microsoft Support for account or entitlement checks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.